The service charge is a charge that we implement to recover costs that we incur on a monthly basis or in proportion to our customers, the number of customers specifically. Costs like the maintenance of meters, reading meters to determine what the bill should be, creating the bill, keeping information flowing to and from the customers, helping customers with their move-in, move-outs, those sorts of things. We incur costs on a regular basis in proportion to the number of customers we serve. And the service charge is intended to recover those costs on the same basis that they were incurred. The energy charge is what it's always been. Most customers are very comfortable with an energy charge. It's the total number of kilowatt hours that we have moved or sold to the customer over a bill period. The meter has always been able to count the number of kilowatts that flow throughout all the hours of the month or the billing period. And so it gets to a total, and that's always been reflected on our bill. Unlike the energy charge, the demand charge looks at every individual hour and every individual discrete time period that the customer is using power throughout the billing period. And it identifies the highest hour or the hour of highest peak demand. And that's important because almost 2/3 of our cost of providing service to customers is based on peak demand. It far above any other cost component. In fact, the demand costs outweigh the total customer service charges, a cost that we incur, and the total energy cost combined. The demand cost is higher than those. And traditionally, we have just rolled all those costs in to a lump sum with the energy charge and a portion of the service charges. And we try to recover those on a per kilowatt hour basis, even though we incur costs on a per kilowatt basis. So we have to build a system with enough capacity to carry the highest peak hour, not just coming months, in the coming months, but in the coming years as well. We have to build a system with enough capacity in it so that 5 or 10 years down the road, we're not out reconductoring or moving lines or building them bigger with a higher voltage.